Addie is attempting to crawl. There she goes. There she's picking herself up. She's almost like she's getting herself up there. Here she goes. Is Daddy teasing you?
Come on. Come on. Oh.
She can reach that.
Oh, I need to take that away again.
And she's got to throw it. She keeps throwing it. Go, Eddie, go. Go, Eddie, go. Go, Eddie, go. Go get it. That doesn't matter. She still have to crawl. Look at her scooting. Come on. Go get it.
You know what will work.
Go get it. Yay! Yay!
Addie.
What does Daddy have? What does he have? Ooh, Ritz crackers. Ooh, we love Ritz crackers. Go, Eddie, go. Look at you go. I know. She's. Look at that.
Oh, that's so mean. Hi. Sideways.
You're such a big girl. Yes, you are. You've almost got it.
Come on.
Look at her pulling herself. Oh my goodness.
Nom, 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 nom. Come on. Come on.
Come on, Addie. You can do it. Go, Addie, go. Yay.
Just one more scoot and I'll give it to you.
Come on, Addie.
Come on.
There's a
Come
scoot.
on.
There's a scoot. Yay. Yay, Addie. Yay. You got your crackers. You big girl. Yeah. She scooted all the way over there. All the way over here. She's a big girl. You're the big girl. You got your crackers. Happy girl. Yeah, all the way from over there to here. Oh, man. We started moving. Addie. You got your cracker. Good girl.